Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to create a fully functional Payoneer account from anywhere in the world. One good thing about Payoneer account is that you can receive money from anywhere in the world through any internationally recognized institution such as Fiverr, PayPal, Freelancer.com, and many other. So when you create a PayPal account, they will issue a USA account number. You have account number, you can get a Pioneer card, and a whole lot of that. So this is a great platform to get started on your online journey. So let me show you. So and before we start, if today is your first time visiting my channel at Bizyjoe.com, as you can see, we have services such as web design, app design, graphic design, SMM, SEO, web development, business branding, and a whole lot of that. So, and we also have a great videos tutorial on our channel. You can see our playlist. We have a playlist for graphic design on Canva. Then we have how to perform a keyword. Then we have YouTube channel. If you want to open a YouTube channel, so I have a more than 6 video uploaded on YouTube alone. So the on blogging, if you want to if you want to start a career on blogging, we have more than 11 videos on blogging on Blogger alone. Then we also have another 24 videos on blogging. So we have other videos on our channel, helpful videos that can help you to make money online and other digital services. So let me move over to Pioneer account. So this is Pioneer. I'll be dropping the link on the description box below. So Pioneer, as you can see, is a universe of opportunity open to you. Your Pioneer account is your key to unlock a universe of opportunities. Whether making intentional payments, receiving funds, managing your digital business, or accessing capital, Pioneer opens your business up to the world. So this is a great company, so you can go through them, so that you can see so many things that you can, so many companies, company that pay you through Pioneer. As you can see, you can receive money from any of these companies through Pioneer, but you cannot receive money from individuals through Pioneer. I don't know whether they have started accepting monies from individuals. So, but it's a great company. You can go through it. So let's create an account with them. Let's open an account. So let's click on get started. So as it's opening, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel at Bizyjoe.com, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. So this Pioneer is still opening. Let's wait a little bit. So we can open a freelancer account, online seller, affiliate. What we want to open is an individual account. So let's click on an individual. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can open any of these. So what you're looking for, you're looking to get paid internationally, send and receive money between friends and family, other prepaid cards. Okay, this is if they are upgraded, you can now send and receive money between friends and family. This is a good thing. So before, you can only get money internationally through clients and all that. So let's click on get paid by international. Anyone is still same process, that you register through friends and family does not mean you cannot get money internationally. So anyone. So let's click on register. So it's opening up a sign up form for us to fill. So these are the process, as you can see. So for individual, you are opening an individual account. You can decide to choose. If you're opening a company account, you can choose any. So the first name, let me use just my first name is this. So make sure that the name you are using here must be the same on your card, because I'm going to verify it. Last name is Chime. Then email address, gmail.com. You enter email. Okay. It's gmail.com. 95 at gmail.com. Okay. Yeah, it is the same. Date of birth. So this is, make sure you are choosing the correct date of birth. Okay. This my system needs changing. uh, so okay. This August. This August. So there's 25. So they enter your, okay, please enter the code below. So the code below is 5MNK6. So let's click on next. Okay, so contact details. This Nigeria street. So this is my street. Okay, let's put it one after the other. Okay, so wait. Let me not. So let me mastermind road go camp in. So city is Enugu. Postal code is 400-211. Mobile number is, I've used this number before. 3493511. So send code. Let me know whether it will still go. I've actually used this number before. So as you are waiting for Pioneer code, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel at Bizyjoe.com, wow, there's a mistake in this number. 09349 0934. Yeah, 9351. Okay, 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 that's correct. Okay, the code about left. So this 559687. Okay, so click on next. So security detail, your password. So let me choose. So password should contain, see the hint. Password must contain at least seven characters and include at least one Latin alphabet, A to Z, and one numerical 0 to. Okay, so let's use. Okay, yeah, security question. Okay, security question. What was a major drink? Okay, which time was your mother born in? Okay, and let me use this. Which time was your mother? Okay, the answer is in. So Nigeria national ID card. So you can use any. Let me use national ID card because this is what I have. So let me find number, national ID number. So the number is 9. So your national ID is your VIN, that's voters identity number. It's below the voters card. There's a way written voters card. The number is below it. Okay, I'm still. So the number is 19. Yeah, I think that's 19. That's 4 times 4, that's 16, plus 9, that's 19. The number is 19, comprising of both alphabets and numbers. Please enter the code. So let's also enter the code. So you have TF, you have 6VY. So you have next, almost done. So currency is this. Click here for bank account registration guide. Okay, so let me add, then you add your bank account. So which bank account will I add here? Okay, let me add Zenith Bank account. Account holder name. Are you seeing this cannot change? So name on your account number. Don't have this number of head, but let me try and get it. My account number should be, okay, I'm coming. In case you want to send me money, my account number is 21522. It's available to receive money. 264637. Is it correct? 21522 46367. Okay. Uh-huh. So let's submit it. Review in process. So you can see we have actually created a fresh Pioneer account. So these are simple as ABCD. Your account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Pioneer card? Learn more. So we have done application one. Then the second is the review is in process, and once it's done, we will notify by email. Okay, they have sent us an email. They already send an application under review. Okay, we are reviewing the application for, and it will take 3 business days. So this is going to take 3 business days. So I will still come back when this is done. So but it's going to done. So this is how to create a fresh Pioneer account. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel at bizyjoe.com and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video.